believe you thought you'd get away with just a few flying lessons, you amateur. There's a rig attached to your chopper. Hover low over the submarine and they'll connect. Hover over me and it'll connect. Where are you flying off to? Fly low over the submarine and it'll hook up. The sub's back here! Ray, you wanna help him with the stick? He needs to be hovering just above the sub. You gonna pull this score without me? Come back and pick me up!
Apertar algum botão, galera?
Hover low above the submarine. Can you handle that, Michael? Connection is good. Okay, I need to drop a couple of clicks west of Polito Cove. I'm rattling.
Galera, pera aí, repetiu. Calma. Legal.
Trevor, you got your company name sprayed all over this chopper. But, everything